Google I/O 2025 just wrapped, and today we're racing through every AI-packed moment in less than 10 minutes. From Pokémon beating genius to fully immersive 3D video calls, Google's dialing AI up to 11. Ready? Let's jump right in. First up, Gemini's season kicks off with a bang, literally playing Pokémon Blue on camera. In the demo, Gemini earned all 8 badges, conquered Victory Road, and clobbered the Elite Four and Champion. Google joked, "We're one step closer to API, Artificial Pokémon Intelligence." Next, Google Beam, an AI-first video platform that turns your 2-to-webcam feed into a full 3D light field experience. Behind the scenes, 6 cameras capture you from every angle. The AI stitches them together and renders you in real time on a 3D display. Think realistic depth, natural head turns, even subtle expressions, no clunky VR headset needed. HP's co-building the first devices, which hit early customers later this year. Live speech translation is here. Translation from English to Spanish and vice versa rolls out now for subscribers, with more languages coming in the next few weeks. And for enterprises, real-time translation will be available later this year. Meet Project Mariner, Gemini's web interacting agent. In the demo, you ask, "Find me a 3-bedroom apartment in Austin, $1,200 each, near laundry." Mariner crawls Zillow, applies your filters, even tweaks them on the fly. It's agent mode in the Gemini app, rolling out soon for subscribers. Here's where personal context comes in. With your permission, Gemini pulls from your Google apps, Gmail, Calendar, securely and privately. Imagine smart replies that don't just say, "sounds good," but actually sound like you. Personalized smart replies start rolling out first in Gmail, then across other apps. Big models news. Gemini 2.5 Pro is the most intelligent foundation model Google's released. 2 weeks ago, you could preview it. Today you get Gemini 2.5 Flash upgrades, boosting reasoning, coding, and long context skills. Flash goes general availability in early June. Pro follows soon after. Try both today in AI Studio, Vertex AI, or the Gemini app. They also demoed new multi-speaker text-to-speech in 24 languages. Think real conversations with distinct voices. On the coding front, Gemini 2.5 Pro is now in Android Studio, Firebase Studio, VS Code, you name it. Plus, Jules, an asynchronous coding agent in public beta. Google's going beyond text and images. Project Astra is their live multimodal search backbone, soon powering Search Live, where your camera helps Google see what you see. Meanwhile, Era partners with Iris to connect low-vision users to human interpreters. Then there's AI mode in Search, an all-new tab where generative answers, links, and merchant info get woven into a single response. It's live in the US now, with Gemini 2.5 under the hood. Soon you can opt in to pull personal context from Gmail, Calendar, and beyond. And for deep research, a fan-out technique issues dozens of searches to draft expert-level, fully cited reports in minutes. Shopping just got smarter. Imagine hovering over a dress in search, then saying, "Show me how this looks on me," uploading your photo, and seeing a virtual try-on powered by a custom fashion-trained model. Plus, agentic checkout and visual shopping features roll out in labs today. Developers, take note. Gemini Live is an API that adds interactive, multi-language AI conversations to your apps. 45 languages, 150+ countries, with built-in camera and screen sharing. Instantly add live AI commentary to games, sports apps, or coding environments. For researchers, Deep Research now lets you upload your own files, PDFs, datasets, whatever, and guide the AI agent through them. Canvas is Gemini's collaborative whiteboard. Sketch, then ask it to clean up your drawings, auto-generate infographics, quizzes, or even podcasts. One tap transforms a static report into interactive, dynamic content. Chrome's getting Gemini built in. Right-click any page, ask it to clarify text, make it punchier, or craft you a catchy intro. It understands the page context automatically, no extra prompts needed. Next up is Imagen 4, Google's newest image generation model, now available right inside the Gemini app. It delivers higher fidelity and way more creative options. Want a Chrome Dino Festival poster made of dinosaur bones? Just ask, and it nails the layout, spacing, and style. It's seriously impressive. Weo 3 brings AI video gen to the next level. Native audio generation means your characters speak naturally, no separate voiceover track needed. In the demo, they prompted a seafaring monologue and got a cinematic clip in seconds. Lyria 2 composes high-fidelity music with vocals, solos, and choirs. You specify style or even hum a tune, and it returns production-ready stems. Available today for enterprises, YouTube creators, and musicians. Flow is the new AI filmmaking tool. Upload your assets, characters, scenes, style guides, or generate them on the fly with Imagine. Use precise camera instructions and Flow auto edits, color grades, and stitches everything into a polished short video. On the hardware side, Android XR is Google's unified OS for mixed reality. It supports AR and VR with seamless hand tracking and eye gaze controls, built in partnership with Qualcomm's Snapdragon. And that's a rapid-fire tour of Google I/O 2025's AI reveals. Which feature are you most excited about? Drop a comment below. Are you ready to try on clothes virtually in Search, or will you be sketching in Canvas? Smash that like button. If you enjoyed, subscribe for more AI-related news and information, and I'll catch you in the next one.